So now I'm going to do presentation of my weekly review of week 41, model 3rd, year 2025 to 2026. This is the flow of the presentation. These are the points which I'm going to talk about. And this is the promises. So this is a promises about Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday I fulfilled my promise, and Wednesday and Thursday I was absent. Friday I did not fulfill my promise, and Saturday I fulfilled. This is the weekly data. Average of my time center is 7 hours. Time on the routine average is 5 hours 14 minutes, and time on math average is 1 hour 16 minutes, and time on English average is 28 minutes, and Seva center average is 40 minutes. What went well? So I did more Seva before then, and I did 1 hour my time center 13 hours. And what did not go well? So my average is not good. All the activities, time center, daily routine, all my average is not good. And highlights of this week. So I did 1 day 13-hour time in center. So this is the highlight of this week, and this is the time not in center. So 2 days I did not take permission from my mother, and 5 days my mother sent permission. This is the daily tracking. I will show you later. And in daily tracking, here it is 3 tracking of prayer, daily in charge report, and computer utilization register. So these are the time of prayer. So I did Sunday, Monday, Tuesday 4 times, Wednesday, Thursday 0 times, Friday 2 times, Saturday 4 times. And the daily in charge report, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday I was daily in charge, and the computer utilization registers on Tuesday 2 hours, Friday 2 hour 1 minute, and Saturday 1 hour. So only 3 days I did utilize computer register. And this is the weekly tracking. So here it will be, so these are the tracking. So daily summary report 0, revision doubt clarification on Sunday and Saturday, and questions. So I did questions. So yes, I did it. Here it will be 1, and goal notebook submission on Sunday 1, reflection on Sunday, which is going 1, and weekly in charge report on Sunday. So I was weekly in charge. Here I will write, it will happen on Monday, tomorrow. So I will do weekly in charge report on Monday, so tomorrow. So here it will be 1, and in bracket I will write it here on Monday. So here is the mistake. And planning, subject planning, next week subject planning, so yes I did. And self test 0, and external evaluation on Tuesday 0. And planned versus actual. So these are the planned. So I have to do 21 hour in whole week of math, but I did only 8 hours 54 minutes in of math. And in science I have to do 10 hour 30 minutes, but I did only 1 hour 6 minutes in whole week. And in English reading, I did English reading, but I don't have data how much pages I read it in 1 day. I read it English reading, but I did not mention how many pages I read in my notebook. I did not mention, so I have no data. So I write it here 0. And here backlog is of, here is the planning of math. So backlog is 35 hours, but I will do only 3 hours per day. And in science 14-hour backlog, but I will do only 1 hour and 30 minutes per day. And in English reading 28 pages backlog, but I will do 4 pages per day. This is the cumulative average, and so my cumulative average is 7 hours 1 minute. It will not open. So and it is only 7 hours 1 minute. Here it will be. I will share it again. My presentation. So I was on cumulative average. So I tell my cumulative average is 7 hours 1 minute. And for exposure trip, I need my time in center should be 12 hours, but my time in center is 7 hours. So I am not eligible for exposure trip of this week. And for C1, C2, C3 category criteria. So for C1, for C3 plus, this is the benchmarking, C3 plus, so 2 hour plus we need. And for time in center, C3 plus 13 hour plus. And for focus study, FS means focus study, C3 plus means 3 cycle plus and 9 hour plus. So in all my C1 minus, for C1 my time average is 40 minutes, so it will be C1 minus, and time in center is 7 hour, so it will be in C1 minus. And for focus study C1 0, so it will be C1 minus. So yes, my presentation is now in, and I will show you my daily tracking. Okay. So I will show you my daily tracking. So total 105 tracking, but I did only 16 tracking of this week. So yes, now my presentation is in.